In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how to print labels in LibreOffice. Whether you're organizing your home office or preparing for an event, printing labels is an essential skill that can make your life a lot easier. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you can easily download it from the official LibreOffice website. Once you have it open, take a look at the top left of your screen. You'll see the file menu there, so go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. After you've opened the file menu, look for the new option. This is where you'll start creating your label document. Click on New, and from the list of new document types, select Labels. This will open the Labels dialog box where you can start customizing your labels. Now, you'll need to enter the inscription you want on your labels. This could be anything from addresses to names or any other text you need printed. Think about the purpose of your labels and make sure this inscription is both clear and concise. Once you've added the inscription, you'll see several options to customize your labels further. Here, you need to select your preferred format. This might include label size and layout, which will depend on the type of labels you're using. Next, if you're using a database to import data for your labels, select the appropriate database and table. You can also choose the date field if it applies to your labels. Finally, pick the brand of labels you're using. Many popular brands will be listed, so you should be able to find the one that matches your label sheets. With all these selections made, it's time to create your label document. Click on New Document at the bottom of the Labels dialog box. This will generate a new file with your customized labels ready for printing. When your document is ready, return to the File menu at the top left of your screen. Click on it again to open the drop-down menu. This time, you're going to select Print. This will open the Print dialog where you can review your print settings. Make sure your printer is properly set up and that you've selected the correct paper size and type. If everything looks good, go ahead and proceed with printing. There you have it. You've successfully set up and printed labels using LibreOffice. This simple guide has walked you through each step, ensuring you can easily produce your own labels whenever you need them. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment with different label formats and settings until you find what works best for you. Thanks for watching and happy labeling.